What up, guys? Will H, and today I am going to be giving you my thoughts and opinion on this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra after having it a little bit over a week. Now, the has been great in my opinion. This is definitely not going to be my full review on it. Just going to talk about some things that I like about it so far and a few things I don't like. So this is the color that I got. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I decided to get this titanium gray color. There are a whole lot more colorful and exciting colors out there, but I kind of like to keep it neutral. Don't be so flamboyant. After buying some phones that were pretty colorful in the past, I kind of grew to not like them after a while. I picked this color because I do have a similar color in my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I want to do a little comparison on these as well. And I will do a complete comparison between these two devices in a few videos from now, but the colorway is pretty much close to the same. This one has a little bit more shimmy if you move it around, whereas the iPhone is a little flatter. So I did want to check them out side by side. Now this color doesn't attract a lot of fingerprints. It will. I had a little lotion on my fingers and hands, so you may see a little bit more now than normal. The phone stays in a case all the time, so I'm not really going to get a lot of fingerprints. You got your Samsung logo back here. You got your camera ray plus flash on the back that hasn't changed in a couple of devices now, a couple of generations, and it still looks pretty modern and fresh right there. You got your titanium sides here, which is a flat, not very shiny, where you got the glossy chrome look going around your cameras there. Kind of gives it a little extra flair there and makes it stands out. It's kind of bling bling there. You got a little line here. I'm not sure if that's an antenna. You got your millimeter wave antenna there. Power button, volume rockers. They do stick up a little bit right there, so you can feel this if it's in your pocket and know, where you are as far as your phone in your pocket. You got your microphones on the top. Got another. Not sure if that's an antenna. This side, another there, and it's just flat on this side. Nothing here, I should say. It's rounded. These corners are rounded. The phone feels thick, but it's no thicker than the iPhone, matter of fact. It's just how big the phone is, it feels extra thick. So on the bottom, this is where I have another complaint. Don't like how they did this. They changed it up. I think the SIM card tray should have been somewhere else on the device. You take this little microphone, you put another slit over here, be symmetrical. You'll have two slits there, make it look a whole lot better. Move this stuff out of the way, this SIM card tray, and make one the speaker and the microphone, it'll look better. I don't like it. So you got your S Pen here, which is always great. I'll talk about that a little bit more later on. They moved it from this side to that side a long time ago. So overall, the weight is great on it. It's not too heavy for me. Just a big phone. I don't like the corners there. So aesthetically, very pleasing. On the front of it, you do have your 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. Got your earpiece up here. You got your camera right there as well. Edge to edge on this. Flat panel. Very nice. I do like that it went back to the flat panel. This is supposed to have the reduced reflection technology on here where it's not supposed to be so reflective, but I have a tempered glass screen protector on mine, so that negates that anti-reflectivity of the display. So I kind of gave that up, but I rather not stretch it then. And it's supposed to be not as stretchable because it's the Corning Gorilla Glass Armor technology now. So I didn't give it a test. So I said I got more testing to do. But the display is nice, man. The colors are black, deep. Samsung always has great colors, with their displays. They make them for other OEMs as well. The 120 hertz refresh rate is butter, as you guys see. Just watching movies and playing games and different things like that, you're going to have a very nice experience on this device. Now, I skipped over talking about phone calls. Phone calls are great. I'm using this on Mint Mobile. I haven't had any issues with this device as far as phone calls, speakerphone. It's been great as well. Bringing up the speakers. This does have some great sounding speakers. Let's go ahead and try something out right here. Let you guys see how it sounds. So as you guys see, the speakers are great on here. Dolby Atmos tune, and you're gonna get some great sound. Now doing social media and stuff like that, it's gonna be great. Everything is gonna open up really super fast. The 8 Gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor is definitely fast, and no heat ups or anything like that. The phone's never been hot to me. Watching your movies, it's going to be great. Let's go ahead and go to YouTube and maybe look at one of my videos, a little clip here. Let you guys see what this sound like and, see the colors and stuff. Of course, we're going to have an ad here. So this is one of my videos here. So as you guys see, doing stuff like that is going to be great. If you want to play some games or something, they're going to open up quick as well. Let's see. Thought I had a game running in the background, but I don't. So let's quickly open up something simple right here that'll open up fast. Everything open fast on here, but this is something I don't have to jump through a lot of hoops to get the game started. You guys see something like this, a little simple game. You see how good it looks and sounds and everything there. So yeah, just going through, doing daily activities and stuff like that is going to be great. This does have Samsung DeX. You can use it wirelessly or plug it into a monitor or something. One of my favorite things is the S Pen. You Bluetooth, take pictures, do all sorts of things with this S Pen. Take notes, whatever you want to do, it's there. The S Pen is still awesome. I'm glad I got it back because I use my S Pen for a lot of different things here. Taking notes, if you want to doodle, do something like color or something like that. Let's see, let's take this little paint can here. Let's go ahead and start on it. Let me get rid of this. So you still have multitasking. As you guys see, I had a floating window there. All of that stuff is still great with the S24 Ultra. You can erase this and all that, sign documents and stuff like that. S Pen is still great on here. No issues with that. Now, they do have some new features with the AI, circle to search, live translate, call chat, interpreter and stuff like that. I really haven't had a chance to use any of that. Here's this, we'll try to circle to search here. There's a picture I took of a clock, and as you guys see, that works great, man. As far as the cameras, let's go back into that. Here's a little picture of, I haven't really had a lot of chance to check out the cameras. Here's a picture of a clock that I took. It is very detailed, as you guys see. So some more testing to come with the cameras. Here's some day shot, a new tower we got at our job down there. And as you guys see, the saturation that Samsung does looks great there. Here's another one here. I took it in portrait. Let's go back. And it's just beautiful, as you guys see there. No issues with the camera so far. Here's a nighttime shot of that same tower. Yeah, man. So I did some, recorded a couple of YouTube videos here. Took a picture of some hamburgers that I was cooking. Very detailed, as you guys see. Just preliminary testing of this. Here's a couple of zoom shots. This is where I start off. This is where I end it. And you guys see the pictures are detailed there. Now, as far as objects moving, I haven't tested that yet. Looking forward to trying that to see if, they still got the lag with the camera. But overall, so far, it's been great. Phone calls, social media, battery life, the 5,000 milliamp hour battery's been great. This is my secondary line, so I really can't tell you, I'm not using it full time every day. This kind of, on the side, I do a lot of social media, things like that with this device. So I'm thinking about seriously moving this to using it as my number one phone, my number one slot, So then I'll be able to test it a little bit more. But so far, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been great. I'll do a follow-up in a couple more weeks to let you guys know what I think about it. Will H, I'm out.